Alright, so I just got done moving snow here, and I thought I would do a review of our snowblower. So this is an Ariens Platinum 24H, Platinum 24 SHO. So Platinum 24 SHO. The SHO is super high output. So this machine is 3 years old. We got it about the middle of January 3 years ago. So a few things why we ended up with this machine versus something else. So first off, with that super high output, so that motor is basically overpowered. It's a larger engine than what they put normally on the snowblowers, so gives more power overall to be able to power through any snow. The other thing that it's got in it is the blower in it itself. The impeller is a 14-inch impeller versus I think a lot of them are like 12-inch. So bigger blower that allows it to throw more snow out at a faster rate. And that coupled with that motor, this thing can blow, and in a good way. I was shooting snow probably close to 50 feet today, no problems. A couple other things we really liked about it is it's all hand controls. So some of them for the chute has a crank. Some of the models have this bar right here, but then it's got a crank handle, so you got to reach over and crank it. This one has, and I don't know exactly what they call it, but it's a hand control. You pull it back to unlock it, and then you simply twist it side to side, and it rotates that chute side to side, rather than a twist. I thought that would be easier for Samantha to use. Not that she uses the snowblower all the time. I do most of it, but if I'm ever gone and she needs to get out, she's got to be able to start it. So this one here is the chute up and down, so it changes that pitch. Transmission, 6-speed forward, 2 reverse, and then of course it's got the auger impeller control and the drive axle. The other thing it's got here is this switch right here is heated hand grips, so nice and warm. Another thing that this has is it's got auto turn in it, which is basically most of them have a straight axle, so if you ever try to turn a snowblower around, it's a pain. This thing, I mean, I'm doing this one-handed, okay? Tip it and no problem. So it'll basically unlock so that one tire can either be stopped or can even spin backwards while the other one's going forwards. You can literally spin this machine around on a dime. So we did get the drift cutters on it, and this is a 24-inch model, so it's got a 24-inch opening. I think they make a 28 in this machine as well, but we went with a 24 just because of being able to fit in the garage, being able to handle it, especially Samantha handling it. Although this machine's quite a beast even sometimes for me. It does have electric start on it, so it does have a cap here and then it's got plug in your extension cord and push button electric start. That way Samantha can start it easy enough. I a lot of times will just choke, couple buttons of the primer, pull the cord, one pull, she fires right up. So quick turn shoot. I was reading the side here, so this is what it says. So the Platinum SHO super high output 14-inch impeller, on-off controlled hand warmers, quick turn shoot. So that's what they call that then, is a quick turn rather than a crank. So again, I mean, it just, and you can do this on the fly, just redirect. So let go, pops and snaps into place. So very nice machine. Again, we've had this for 3 years, and it has treated us well. The first 2 years we had it, didn't get a lot of snow. Now this year it's getting a workout this year. So all right, there you go. Definitely a thumbs up from me on this one. I really like this machine. It does a great job. I do have it set where it leaves snow behind. I've got the skid set up about 1/2 inch just because we do have gravel on the driveway. So I don't want to bite into the gravel. I'd rather leave some snow. So we do have quite a bit of a driveway to deal with, and actually I do the neighbor's driveway as well, because it's the property line goes right down the middle. So I do theirs as well, and push the snow back. I do push the snow back quite a bit. I've got it pushed back all the way up there, and then on this side I've got it pushed back probably about 14 feet into the yard on that side. I do it in the front of the house too. Basically that's just for drifting, so that if it drifts in, I don't have to get out right away in the morning and start this up and move snow. I can just drive out of it and deal with the drifts and stuff later. So all right, there you go. Thumbs up on this one. Definitely, I really like it. I'm glad I went with that super high output. I look at the ends of my driveway and see how many people have snow piled up because their snow blowers can't blow it very far, and I don't have that because I throw mine way out in the yard and I don't get piles right next to the road or right next to the driveway. So all right, take care. We'll talk to you later.